I just wanna hold you all night long. Whenever I'm around you, nothing's wrong. I'm hoping that you'll.
Hey guys, it's Takisa and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I was recently in Walmart like earlier today, and I was looking through like the makeup aisles, which I always do because sometimes Walmart has stuff that, you know, different stores don't. So I was looking, and one of the end aisles had the Profusion palettes that they just came out with. These palettes were $9.88, y'all. $9.88. And if you know Profusion, then you know that this is a really good brand, especially for beginners, for people that are on a budget, like, and need like really good stuff. So I grabbed 4 palettes, and I'm so glad I picked these palettes because the pigmentation of these palettes is beyond me. Like, it's so crazy how pigmented these palettes are. So the first one that I'm going to show you guys is the Sultry palette, and this palette is so beautiful. It comes with 21 eyeshadows, and they also come with a brush. This is how the brush looks. It's double-ended. There's a blending side, and then there's a flat eyeshadow brush, which their brushes are really good. I've had a couple of their brushes from like Ross and stuff, and I'm gonna swatch 2 shades in this palette. So I'm gonna do this blue that I already swatched, and then this purple. No, I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna do that purple. So this is Lagoon, and the purple, like brownish color, is Bewitched. I think it's more brown, but it has like purple undertones. Look how pigmented these are. Y'all, I swirled my finger around twice, like this, and that was it. Ooh, excuse my ash. I'm ashy. Anyways, but look at that. Look at the pigmentation in that eyeshadow. These palettes were $9.88, and like, I'm like in shock. I'm gonna actually do a look with this palette right after I swatched the other ones, but I wanted to kind of show you guys how these palettes look and show you guys that you don't have to spend $40 on a palette from Sephora or Ulta or any of that. So the next palette is Mattes, and this is just a palette full of matte eyeshadows, and these are super pretty. There's a lot of neutral tones, which is really good because a lot of people need like transition shades and things like that. So I'm gonna swatch the orange in this palette and the yellow in this palette. This is Dynasty. It's a bit faint because it's kind of blending into my skin, but it's very chalky, which is okay, but you still see the pigment very nicely. The next shade is Serendipity. And I guess this is like a chalky palette because this one is chalky as well, but they're still pigmented, and I'm pretty sure you can pick up these for like a flat lid, with a flat lid brush, and just use it like that. I'm not sure about blending. I'll just have to use it in another video because I already made up my mind about the Sultry palette. So that's the matte palette. The next palette is called the Shimmers, and this palette has a bunch of fun colors, like this shade right here called Frozen, which is so funny because it matches Elsa's dress. As you can see, it's a little bit tampered with, but that's okay. I usually spray my products with alcohol so that they're like clean. But I'm gonna swatch I don't know. I'm just gonna, oh, I'm gonna swatch this green right here in this palette and this silver called Sorcery. This is Jade and this is Sorcery. So I'm gonna start with the green. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. And this is Sorcery. Okay, I didn't really like how Sorcery picked up. It's a pretty glittery color, so I guess it's more glittery than shimmer. The next palette, or the last palette, is called Berries, and I got 4 brushes with this, y'all. Like, I'm so hyped about that. But this is Berries. As you can see, there's a lot of pinks and purples and like rose golds in it, and I think this palette is beautiful. This shade right here is like an iridescent shade. It looks white, but it's like really iridescent. I'm so ashy. I'm gonna swatch this pink right here called Jive, and that's like a hot pink. And I'm going to swatch this gold right here called Shimmy. So I'm gonna start with Jive. Oh wow, wow, that is pretty. And then Shimmy. Shimmy, don't let me down, please don't. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Profusion did their thing. I'm really excited about these palettes. This is beyond me. If you guys watch Haha Davis on Instagram, I'll be cracking up. That man is hilarious. I don't care what nobody say. That man is funny. But now for the look, I'm going to be going into the Sultry palette. I'm going to create a fall time look using this palette, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This palette is super pretty. It is full of very dark but like glam shadows that'll still make your eyes pop, especially if you have like colored eyes. I have brown eyes, but you can't really see like my brown unless I'm in the light. And these colors are gorgeous. There's like olive and oranges and things like that. So I'm gonna get into the look. I'm not gonna talk through this part, but I'll probably do a voiceover. So let's get into the look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed these palettes, create a look and tag me in it so that I can repost you on my Instagram. I want to get my followers up. I want to get my subscribers up. I want to interact with you guys. I want you guys to feel like I'm your friend, I'm your sister, anything really. And can I just say that this pigmentation is so amazing. Like, look at my eyes. I look so like Asian. Look at my eyes. I'm super impressed with Profusion. Hopefully I get to see this video. I'm gonna tag them. I'm gonna post a picture on Instagram of this look, and I want you guys to go under that picture and tag them as many times as possible. I want you guys to get me on a PR list. Get me on a PR list so that I can get more videos for you guys. I can do giveaways, all of that stuff. Actually, I want to do a giveaway at my first 500 subscribers. So once I reach 500, I will be doing a giveaway, and it will probably be gift cards and something else that can go along with like my male subscribers as well. So a unisex gift. So I want you guys to tag Profusion on Instagram and make sure they see this look. Make sure you tag me in your looks that you create with these palettes. Any of the palettes that they have. They actually have 2 more palettes, I believe. It's 6 in total, and these palettes are amazing. You can give these as a gift. You can stack up your collection, and you can save your coins, sis. I'm telling you, don't waste your time. There were barely any palettes when I went to my Walmart, and your Walmart might not even have any in stock. So I would get my hands on these as soon as possible. And these are great for beginners, especially if you don't want to spend $20, $30 on a palette and it not give you the colors that you want. You get 21 colors in the palette. Like 21 colors is a lot. You can do a lot with 21 colors. As you can see, I did this look here and I'm in love with it. I don't want to take it off, to be honest. And it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I want you guys to stay active with me. I'm trying to get these videos out as soon as possible. I've been super busy. God has been blessing me with different makeup jobs and being able to flourish in my gifts, and I'm going to be as consistent as possible and get these videos out for you guys. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, with your aunties, your uncles, your brothers, your cousins, your sisters, any of that, and give me a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.